With a couple of smart, water-wise tips, you can dramatically reduce your watering and protect your plants from the heat in summer. Start by raking up fallen leaves and debris on the lawn. Apply soil wetting agent with a handheld spreader. Wetting agents assist water penetration in lawns and garden beds, improve efficiency of any fertilizers used, reduce water runoff and help eliminate dry patches. Increased water absorption into the soil also encourages deeper root growth and ultimately reduces the requirement for watering. Mulch acts as an efficient insulation layer on top of soil and is an essential part of any garden during hot Australian summers. An effective mulch will reduce the frequency of your watering and keep your plants stress-free. Not all mulches have the same water retention qualities, so choose a moisture mulch which is more broken down than standard wood chip mulch. Mulch will also smother weeds and organic matter into the soil as it breaks down, which is fantastic for soil-dwelling microorganisms. When watering on very hot days, it is important to maximise water efficiency by watering as close to the roots as possible in garden beds. We suggest using a dripping hose laid across a garden bed in line with the roots, which will deliver water straight into the soil. When it comes to lawn watering, use a sprinkler that has a wind-resistant jet spray like our tough metal or plastic impact sprinklers. These have a powerful throw and are ideal for medium to large lawns. Schedule your summer watering for early mornings or late afternoons when it is cooler. If waking up at 5 a.m. to water the garden isn't your idea of a perfect morning, opt for a tap timer which does the job for you. You can choose from a range of manual, digital or Bluetooth tap timers or controllers for backyards that may have multiple watering zones. Bluetooth tap timers and irrigation controllers like our BTX1 smart valve, BTX6 indoor controller and BTX8 outdoor controller are conveniently scheduled on a smartphone using Bluetooth technology. A range of scheduling options are available which will suit specific watering day requirements or the ability to create customised schedules. You can also connect a multiple outlet tap timer to maximise the use of a single tap, like our WaterWiz 200 or our WaterWiz 400. For more information on smart gardening, check out our blog on holmanindustries.com.au.